y'all can see, next payout, -$5. We're cooked. Basically, Jason had a great idea. We're gonna go to Vietnam.
Oh my God, look at this place.
Bro, like, what is we doing here? We're finding flights in Airbnb now. Cause guess what? We made it today. Cranking out some work.
My bicep is bigger than this nigga's head.
Crazy. I got the biggest bicep.
No, you don't. No, you don't. Come on, bro. Are you, bro? You're dumb,
Your
bro.
shit just goes arm, forearm, bro.
No, it doesn't. Look at this shit. Let me see your shit. Let me see your
Shoulder to
shit.
forearm, bro.
Hey, put in the comment section, bro.
No Renell today. That boy gonna stay back to work, so just me and Jason, bro. Bro, especially stores picking up, bro. Like,
Nah, facts.
come on, bro. What would we rather do, bro? Party our life away or go travel? You feel me? This guy.
Basically, this American tourist, he went to fucking North Korea, and on security camera, this dumbass dude was like, he was tearing down the posters of like the, I don't know who it is, the president?
Yeah, Kim Jong-un or whatever.
And so they caught him on the security guard, and right when they were supposed to leave that morning, he was packing his shit going to the airport. They got him and they took him to jail. The flight left and everything. So they took him to jail, and he was held there in the jail for like an entire year. And the president of the United States, they were working to get him back. And by the time, I don't think my story's like completely correct, but by the time they got him back to the U.S., he was brain dead. He had like blunt force trauma in his head, and then he died. And North Korea said they did nothing to him.
Last person to get us out.
No, first.
It's a 2v1 and we have like 4 stores.
I bet. If that's what if you want to play that game, play that game.
Let's do it.
But it's not fair.
How?
Because we have 4 stores, my nigga.
More profit, so it is fair.
No, it's not fair.
Bro, I'm not gonna lie. This has been the most difficult part of being in a foreign country is the chopsticks. I can't understand how to get this shit done, bro. Like, am I the only one that doesn't know how to use
Do it like this, man. You have to do it like this.
bro? Am I the only guy that does not know how to use chopsticks, bro? Bro, infinite money glitch with meme coins.
Let's do it, bro. Let's gamble our fucking money, bro.
6K into meme chill guy, bro.
Yeah,
6K in ads, bro.
The rise on the meme coin.
Oh my God,
30,
bro.
Think about it. You're not thinking numbers, bro. Well, 6K on ads, you probably make like 6, 8, 12, like 20K, 18K. But 6K, you put that into like fucking chill guys. Let me find this shit. You put 6K into like fucking chill guys.
I was about to say, I think
But
it's...
I am looking. Hey, let me know, bro. I am looking for some coins, bro. I just loaded up my shit.
Bro, did you not see the play I caught the other day, bro?
Exactly, bro.
Like, I didn't put enough in, bro. Every time, I'm not confident.
The next day.
What's good, vlog? Another day, another dollar. Not too much going on today, honestly. We're just grinding, bro. Got my boy Renell over here. He locked in. I'm over here locked in. So today, we did increase even more. We're at like 2.4 for the day. Honestly, should be like a 3K day tomorrow. And everything is going to plan. Ad accounts are cooking. What I'm doing right now is 4 ad accounts, which sounds dumb and like I'm outbidding myself, but it's not even all that. The 1 CBO method, if you know, you know. Can't even leak too much, bro. That's why you got to join the community. But then we have a regular scaling strategy with all of the CBOs, multiple campaigns, and the other 2 are just some different language tests. So that's just the update for right now, and I'm gonna just continue to lock in and work, and then I'll get back to y'all when we do something fun. Making 10K a day and spending $100 a month on rent. That's viral, bro. Bro, these guys be eating bullshit. I eat good shit, bro. I'm not filling my body with bullshit. Like, look at this guy. Come on, bro. You want to be built like him or me? If you don't eat apples in your salad, you're gay. And we got some dressing. I don't know if you guys ever go through the problem of losing all of your fucking cars because you have too much bot because you make 100,000 bot per day. Anyway, I'm gonna see y'all when we get to the gym. Actually, I'm gonna just vlog that shit. Enough talking. Yo, where you get them from? I'm finna copy.
Bro, oh my God, niggas always
My drip, bro. Let's get a fit check for the day, Brody.
Ooh, bro.
White tee.
Got the white tee. What is it? Goodfella white tee from Target. If you know, you know. Do your fucking homework. Then we got the Stacks World Sweats. I don't even remember where I got these from. And then we got the beater gym shoes, white Air Force. You know the vibe. Feel the vibe. You know what I'm saying.
Tight.
Gotta hit the little Kodak there.
My legs are so cooked. I hit strictly cash, bro. But like, I cannot feel my stomach. Can't feel my legs. Bro's professional at canceling himself out after the gym.
Nigga, this is a protein.
No.
Are you dumb?
Oh my god.
Are you dumb? This is weak.
Oh my god.
No.
Yes, it is, bro. Let me try. Put it in my hand. We got a taste test, chat. Let's see if he's about it.
Of course, it's gonna be sweet.
No, don't say that.
Protein. So especially when you get a
Yeah, nah. Look, y'all. This is what Renell eats after the gym. W Renell, bro. Sweet treats after the gym. Bro, we go get a bunch of bitches and throw a villa party in Pattaya. Like, what are we doing, bro? It's the weekend, bro. Winning product. We got a winning product. There we go. I had to think. You gotta think about it. Think about it.
Oh my god! Crazy.
Okay, so we did get the sale. Renell would have won some free Smirnoffs,
Bro.
but he's cocked.
Oh my gosh, bro. It got us free Smirnoff. All right, let's run it back. But let's do sell in the next 10 minutes.
No. Of course I'm gonna get that, bro.
Oh my god. Hard.
8 minutes. Okay, I'm leaving it. 5 minutes.
8 minutes.
No,
Take it or
5.
leave it, bro.
Bro doesn't believe
100. You're on your end. You don't.
What?
If you don't, it's 100 on your end.
Bro, 100 US if I don't get a sale in the next 5 minutes. And then if I do, 2
Give
Smirnoffs.
me Smirnoffs. Or shouldn't it be the other way around?
No. I'll shake on it. If I don't get one in 5 minutes, then Smirnoff.
Yeah. Deal. Shake on it.
If I do? Wait, if I don't get one in the next 5 minutes?
If you don't get one in the next 5 minutes from right now, what time is it right now? 8:58. So 5 minutes from now, 9:03. Right? Yeah, 9:03. Go give me. You gotta go to 7-Eleven down the street. Go give me 2 Smurf. Nah. Yeah, one for him, one for me.
And if I do, you're gonna give me 100 US.
And if you do, yeah, 100 US.
Alright, shake.
You scared, bro. You're not gonna do it?
Nah.
Bro, let's do it, bro. Stop being so scary.
You gotta text these top bitches with US slang. They love that shit. Boom. Let me take you. Cherry emoji.
Yeah, with that being said, man.
I ain't even gonna do all that yapping. Y'all gonna see where we head.
Where we at, bro? Where we at? Man, we at this rooftop place, bro. Finally came to this rooftop place.
Finally. Come on, bro. This is lit, bro. We on live with it. Three more shots.
Good Thai woman. Beautiful Thai.
Beautiful.
Yeah, beautiful Thai woman. Where?
We clubbing or what?
The next morning.
Alright, y'all. It's currently the next day. I'll be honest, I'm so tired. Cooked, but this work still gotta be done. Them boys in the room sleep, but you know me, I don't go down easy. Military grade man right here. So I'm gonna eat, crush the rest of this work. I'm gonna probably end off this vlog as well. It's been pretty long, so thank y'all for watching. Hope y'all enjoyed. If you do wanna know more about what I do, make sure you follow me on Instagram at JJNYCE, and I hope to tune you in so we can all start making this money together. But like, subscribe, and all that, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace. Update, ad account banned, little fuckers.
Wait. Oh, your shit, you just got that. That's better.
But that's a backup.
Oh.
Backup ad account, backup. It was making like 5 sales a day. All right, y'all, so y'all just seen it here. I'm working urgently to get my ad account back. One of the spares, but this is just the name of the game. I'm gonna do a whole bunch of fun stuff on the vlogs, but I'm gonna also be authentic. It's not all sunshine and rainbows. We do face problems, we are humans, and we do get by them. So just another day, man, and I'm gonna continue to grind this out, scale some more ads, and keep printing 10K days. Let's get it, man.